Okay, we've got our HSDFLT hand sanitizer dispenser here, and now that we have it assembled, I'm going to give you a little run through how it works. First thing I'm going to do is use the key to open the top where we can get to it, and we've got our dispenser reservoir here, and I want to show you real quick. This little thing on the bottom will unscrew. You can remove it. This is what makes it go from a dispensed liquid to a spray liquid. So with this on, it's going to spray, which is probably what you want. It's what I would want. And so our battery compartment is right here. You don't have to necessarily come look at this, but you got 4 AA batteries there in the compartment. We're going to put that back on. You take your top off here. I suppose it would help if I grabbed a little liquid and put that in there. And close that up. Close that up, and then I'm going to turn the power switch on here on the side, and once we get it open or get it going, we're going to get, it's got a prime, there we go. So now we've got a nice amount of hand sanitizer, and I'll do that one more time, although bear in mind my hands are wet. So there we go with, again, a good amount. This particular model, as I said, comes set up for spray. It's got the tray here for any drips that it'll catch. It's a very sturdy unit, which is why I really love it. It's kind of sleek in its look, and it's not too big, it's not too small. It's kind of like the 3 little bears, I guess. This spot right here is great for some sort of sticker, advertising if you wanted to do, or a little funny sign about keeping your hands clean, or clean your hands, you filthy animal, whatever comes to mind. So you've got a spot there to do that. That's pretty much it. CablesAndKits.com. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.